Hi, this tutorial will show you how to do electronic top-up with just your tablet, computer or handphone. To log in, first open up your internet browser. Next, key in the website address www.sgtopup.com. This is our login page. Key in your mobile phone number, followed by your password, and click Login. First, I'll show you how to do a Singtel top-up. On the search menu on the left, make sure that you click Reload Singapore. For the denomination that you need, click on this pull-down menu and choose say Singtel $10, $20, bonus 30 or Hot 100, etc. Once you have selected your denomination, key in the customer's mobile phone number here and click Submit. Please check that the customer's number is correct, as well as the denomination that they requested. If everything is correct, go ahead and click Confirm and the transaction will go through. If you have any changes to make, click on the Edit button. You will return to this page where you can then make changes to either the customer's mobile number, the denomination needed, or even the telco type. Again, click Submit. Check that the details are correct, followed by clicking on the Confirm button. For StarHub top-up, it is very similar to Singtel. Pull this menu down and click StarHub. Choose the denomination that you want to top up. Please scroll down as there are more options below, like StarHub $8. Again, the customer's mobile phone number goes in here. Submit. Please always check that the customer's number is correct, the denomination that you want to top up is correct, and the telco is correct, and click Confirm. Transaction will go through successfully. Here we select M1, then the denomination that you want to do the top up for, and finally the customer's mobile phone number. Click Submit. Again, check through the details are correct and select Confirm to send the successful transaction. Should you have any queries, do reach out to us via WhatsApp. Thank you.